Friends, family, and students at Viewmont High School are mourning the sudden death of a 16-year-old girl. Police say Madeline Morley died after a rock pillar fell on her Tuesday. News specialist Shelby Lofton spoke to a psychiatrist who helps children cope with traumatic situations like this one.
Madeline Morley's family asked those who knew her to follow her lead in being a friend to everyone and thinking of others first. A mental health professional I talked to said it's important to pay tribute to those you've lost, especially when it's under tragic circumstances.
A lot of these kids around this time of the year, they're getting ready for graduation. They're getting ready to move on.
An unexpected death can change all of that.
It may sometimes even derail or put on hold some of these goals that they've had maybe since childhood.
Dr. Renee Valles, a child psychiatrist, says some of Madeline Morley's classmates may feel guilty.
Check in with your child to see how he or she's doing.
He says encourage them to honor the person they lost.
Their friends would want them to continue to carry on and live their legacy through them.
Some teenagers may want to be left alone. He says watch for sudden changes in their behavior.
Are they isolating themselves from family? Are they isolating themselves from friends? Are they all of a sudden more irritable, more angry, not sleeping?
Now that it's summer, try to keep a routine at home.
Keeping yourself on a schedule, it would be really helpful. For people's mental health. It gives them a sense of worth. It cuts down on anxiety, cuts down on depression.
Dr. Valles says call in extra help if those warning signs become apparent, whether students were close friends with Morley or just a classmate. They are experiencing grief.
And they start to notice that, hey, that I'm not invincible after all. And trying to help them understand that loss is a part of life.
Dr. Valles says it's important that you look for signs in your child they need to speak to someone, especially when the grief counselors are no longer on campus. We'll have links to resources you can use in this story on our website, ksltv.com. Shelby Lofton, KSL 5 News.